In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Drive to Confluence. To get started, open Confluence in your web browser and sign in. It helps to confirm you have the right permissions for the space you're working in. You'll need at least editing rights to add content to a page, and in some cases, admin rights if your organization controls which apps can be installed. Next, navigate to the specific page where you want your Google Drive content to appear. Click the Edit button, the pencil icon, to enter editing mode. This puts you in the Confluence editor, where you can add and arrange elements on the page before you publish. Inside the editor, look for the Insert More Content button, usually a plus sign on the toolbar. Choose Google Drive from the list of options. If you don't see Google Drive as a choice, you may need to install the Google Drive app from the Atlassian Marketplace. If your company requires approval for apps, reach out to your site admin to enable it. By the way, I've placed a download link for the Google Drive integration and a link to Google Drive at the very top of the description so you can access them quickly. When you select Google Drive, a pop-up will prompt you to sign in. Pick the Google account that holds the files you want to use. You'll be asked to allow Confluence to access your drive so it can display files on the page. Make sure you choose the correct account, and if the window doesn't appear, check that your browser isn't blocking pop-ups. You'll then see your drive in the pop-up. Browse or search for the file you want, click it, and then choose Insert. Confluence will place the file into your page in the editor so you can preview how it will look. You can resize or reposition the embedded file by clicking it and dragging the handles or moving it within the layout. For documents, spreadsheets, and slides, embedding lets people view the content directly in Confluence without leaving the page, which keeps your team focused and saves clicks. If performance is a concern on very large pages, consider keeping the embed compact or placing it lower on the page. When everything looks right, click Publish to save your changes. Your Google Drive file is now connected and visible on the Confluence page. If teammates report they can't see the file, double-check the sharing settings in Google Drive. The file needs to be shared with the right people or allowed for viewing under your organization's policy. That's it. If this helped, please like and subscribe, and check the top of the description for the links. Thanks for watching.